It creates a dynamic organization where all the employees may adjust and will adjust for the changing concepts in the world. Never management say only my goal has to be reached and not your goal. If organization goal is reached, automatically individual goals can be reached. That is why it is called, it helps in achieving personal objective. If we have the eco-friendly environment in the organization, definitely it is supporting to the society. Then it is called as effective management here. Warm welcome to first sem B.Ba academic year 2023-24. The subject what we are discussing, management principles and practice, in that unit 1, introduction to management. In today's session, we are going to discuss very important topic. It is called importance of management, where for the examination point of view, there will be for 15 marks question, briefly explain the importance of management, where you have 11 points are there, write all the 11 points and explain every point, so we can secure the allotted marks. In our previous session, we have discussed objectives of management and the features of management. I am Professor Rajesh L.R. from Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In today's session, we are going to discuss about importance of management. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the nature of management. In today's session, as I said, importance of management, they're going to ask you people for 15 marks question, where you have to write all the 11 points first and then explain each and every point, whatever it is mentioned here. What is management? Management is the art of getting things done through others, or it is called as getting things done through people here. So it is the art of getting things done through other people here. And now, management is nothing but it is an art, science and profession. Even the management is called as an art. Art, why it is called? Because of designing. Science, why it is called? It is going to apply certain concepts, applications in the business world. Why it is called profession? It is going to adopt some technical things, know-how, rights in the management. So like this, the management is art, science and profession. So now, what is the importance of management? Why it is required? See, the 11 points clearly clears our doubt here and supports us to know why and how it is important. So management helps to achieve the group goals. They are saying that when every management always supports all the employees of the organizations to achieve the group goals by supporting them in all the levels, motivating them, coordinating them and providing proper training, proper advisors at every level to reach the organizational goal here. Proper management of all individuals in an organization is very essential for the accomplishment of organization objective. Group goal is more important than the individual objectives. Every management changes the mindset of the employees, converting employees' goal from employees' goal to organizational goal. Then it creates the group goal here. So that is why every management helps in achieving the group goals, whatever we have here. The second one, it increases efficiency of laborers. It increases the talent of the laborers. It increases the work concepts in the minds of the laborers or the employees of the organization by utilizing, like we are going to call as Hour is nothing but optimum utilization of resources. So every management is going to utilize the resources in such a way that one to increase the efficiency of the laborer and creating the talented employees for the world and introducing the employees to the world with a new talent, whatever they have, bringing their ideas into the market. Third one, creates a dynamic organization. It makes all the employees in the organization to adopt all the environmental changes and get into that one without any hurdles or without any issues in the market here. So make them getting the training for the required part or motivating them to learn the concept. We are here to support you people to adjust for the present environment. Don't worry, we support you and we provide all the training for you. So organization supports all the individuals in the organization by providing proper training, whatever it is required for them to be in the present scenario. So that is why it is called, it creates a dynamic organization where all the employees may adjust and will adjust for the changing concepts in the world. Helps in achieving personal objectives. Never management say only my goal has to be reached and not your goal. If organization goal is reached, automatically individual goals can be reached. That is why it is called, it helps in achieving personal objective. Helps in development of society. This is the next point what we have. Helps in development of society means it is nothing but here, it is supporting the society by providing employment, creating jobs for the society and supporting the people who are surrounding to the organization and creating some schools, colleges, introducing some educational support for the society here, and even providing some residential part for the employees of the organization. Like the organization is supporting to the society in any of the way, either it may be creating job employment or providing houses to the employees or providing education for the employees' children, or in certain cases the organization even support for educational benefits for the employees of the organization. The next we have here, cordial industrial relation. This is nothing but here avoiding the disputes, industrial disputes between the employees and the organization. It creates to have a good relation between the top level management and the operation level management. It makes all the managers train in such a way that there should not be any type of disputes within the organization or outside the organization where it creates or harms the society and even it harms to the business organization. Always it is going to have better relation with all levels of management employees. Every management will think to have the effective management. Society gets the benefit of efficient management in terms of industrial development, justice to different social groups, consumer satisfaction, welfare and proper discharge of social responsibilities. If the management is more concerned about society, then it uses all the facility in such a way that natural resources which is not going to harm the society and it is not going to spoil the environment of the society. It supports the society with eco-friendly environment. So if we have the eco-friendly environment in the organization, definitely it is supporting to the society. Then it is called as effective management here. The next one we have here, expansion of business. Expansion of business is nothing but if the management has increased in production from 1,000 units to 3,000 units. It is called increase or growth, we can call. Increase in sales, 3,000 units to 5,000 units. Again, it is called growth of the business year. Or having the main office here, and supplying the goods to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9 places. Earlier it had only one place here. Now it has totally 9 places. So now it is called as growth of the business in the market, and establishing a new branches in one place and in the 2 places. Again, this is called as the expansion of the business. After survival and earning enough profits, the next part it comes here to expand the business, either expanding the business or increasing the production or increasing the marketing concept or increasing the sales of the business here. The next concept what we have here, importance, brings stability and prosperity between the employees. For every successful concept, whatever we have here, there should be stability and prosperity, a business enterprise through cooperation among employees. At every second and every level, the management has to cooperate all the employees, and it should not harm any employee with any concept giving mental pressure in the work environment given by his superiors or by the top level management. So then if it is creating the issues in the mindsets of the employees, then there will be no prosperity between the employees. Or creating the casteism inside the organization, again it creates a problem here. Or creating the age or educational concepts within the organization, again there will be no prosperity within the organization. That is the reason always have better environment, creating in such a way that when stating the word as I said, and this is a concept we are going to use everywhere, we are one. Create in the mindset of all the employees stating as we are one and we work as a team members. Not saying that when I am working here, we are working here. We are the people who are there to support the organization at all levels of success of the organization business sectors. Next one, management develops team spirit. It creates in such a way that when the employees has to work in a team, not as an individual, as I said that one. And it creates the team spirit in such a way that when management also creates teamwork and motivates employees to work harder. It gives opportunities for each and every member of the team and says that one, if you work hard, definitely there may be some increase in your remuneration or benefits for you people here or any other additional benefits. Or it may say that one, in the next upcoming project, we may provide you the opportunity of getting the chance of becoming the team leader. So like this, it may motivate all the employees of the organization and working with a team, not as individual. Ensures effective use of managers, means every management will use the skills whatever the managers is having, the knowledge, ideas and their experience, whatever they have, they use that one in such a way that one to increase the productivity of the organization. That is why it is called ensures effective use of managers. Managers' talent should be used in our concept only. Optimum utilization of managers' resources. Whatever it is there, use all his ideas and thoughts and get the information from all the corners of the manager's views, whatever is having. So definitely there will be no pitfall in the organization's business. So there will be no downfall in the organization concepts here. There will be no downfall in the market. Always there will be in a great level in the top position in the market here. In the upcoming section, we're going to have nature of management. In today's session, we have discussed the 11 importance of management points, where it said that when all the management will support the individuals to increase their efficiency and make them to work in a team, and even the management wants to use the resources of things, whatever it is there in the mindsets of the managers, and it wants to support the society by providing employment opportunity and other part. And management is nothing but, it never says that when it has to earn only profits and not to distribute the profits to the employees here. And it never says that when only my goal has to be reached here and not the individual employee's goal. Even management supports the individuals to reach their aims by supporting and motivating them in all the levels. So in today's session, we have clearly understood about the concept of importance of management. That is why management is called as in such a way that when it is the art of getting things done through others. Only certain people have this capacity how to use the skills whatever they have. Instead of they are working, they take the support of others to work for them. This is a concept what we have in the management. In the upcoming session, we are going to discuss about nature of management, that is management as an art, profession and science. Thank you to all my dear students, where you got the information for the examination purpose as well as for your future purpose also, which can be adopted in the business either in the present or in the future, whatever you're going to start yourself and want to become a great entrepreneur in the market. These are the importance of the management what we have here, why a management is required and how it is required and what are the benefits are there for the management. With this part here can be made better usage of the information. Thank you to all my dear students.